This episode of Strange Times and Slack Lines started out as a simple lure retrieval after a bad cast to the shore. Keep watching to see what happens. All my attempts to get it out of the trees without going to the shore ended in failure. This was not going well, and I was starting to get a little bit frustrated. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.